Before you drop a single file into Claude Cowork, there's one setup mistake that could seriously expose your firm, and most people have no idea they're making it. We've covered what Cowork is and what workflows to run in a couple past videos. Now we need to talk about how to actually set it up, and specifically how to set it up correctly as a law firm. Because there is a right way and a wrong way, and the wrong way could create real problems for you and your clients. The number one mistake, the most common mistake law firms make when setting up any AI workspace tool is putting confidential client information in the same place as their marketing content. It sounds obvious when you say it out loud, but in practice it's easy to accidentally upload a recent case summary because you wanted to reference it for a blog post or drop in a client communication because it had a useful language to it. But don't do it. Cowork lets you control exactly which files and folders the tool can see. Use those controls intentionally from day one. What goes in the marketing workspace should be entirely non-confidential. The 3 workspaces every law firm should create. The right structure is to create 3 separate Cowork workspaces. One for marketing, one for thought leadership, and then one for client work, if you use Claude for it. These should never share files. Your marketing workspace should only contain past blog posts, your newsletter archive, pitch templates with all client names removed, your style guide, and public-facing content. That's the full list. Your thought leadership workspace can include draft articles, practice area research, speaking notes, and published opinions. Still, no client data. Your client workspace, if you use Cowork there at all, follows entirely different rules and should involve your firm's tech and compliance team before you set anything up. Connecting the right plugins. Anthropic released Claude Cowork with dedicated plugins, including a legal plugin and a marketing plugin. For law firm marketing, you'll primarily use the marketing plugin, which handles content drafting, campaign planning, and brand voice. The legal plugin is focused on contract review, summarization, and structured analysis, useful for the legal work side, but separate from marketing. When you set up your marketing workspace, connect it to a dedicated folder that contains 3 things: your public content archive, your brand guide, and your templates folder. Label them clearly. Keep them updated. That's it for the setup. It's simple, but getting it right before you start protects you and makes every workflow faster. Why this matters for bar compliance? The ABA and state bar associations have been putting out guidelines on AI use, and the consistent message is you can use AI, but you are responsible for everything it produces, as you, I'm sure, know by this point. If client data ends up in a workspace that feeds your public marketing output, you could be facing confidentiality issues that no amount of good content is worth. Keep it clean from day one, and you'll never have to worry about it. In the next video, I'm going all in on the ethics side, the 5 rules every law firm needs to follow when using Cowork for marketing based on actual ABA guidance. Check that out before you go live with any AI-generated content.